Happy birthday, Tankyie. Period. Big 22.
She was doing her birthday thing.
Right. Okay, y'all. Don't mind her. She in the back. But I can't say it.
Oh,
She
yeah.
right here. But I love you so much. You always come through. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have you. It's the baby hairs for me. Thank you. I don't know what to say. Like, you're so sweet and humble. A humble beast, though. You help everybody out around you. And we appreciate you. We want you to have a good birthday. Period. I have some candy in my ear. Sorry, y'all. I just started vlogging. We just left Tankyie photo shoot. I went to church earlier. I did a lot of stuff earlier. I went to Rainbow, found me some little pins. Mama call them clappers. I don't know why.
Because they make your booty clap.
That's gonna be me on this boat. Cause what? Y'all finna get all the action.
Sophia gotta go get her nails done.
Y'all, I don't know what I'm finna do. Cause it's too much going on today to be sitting still. Can I get something quick or something? I don't know. It's a lot going on today, and I'm just trying to be there. I'm kind of hurt I can't go to Skybox with them, but like, I'm gonna watch their story. I'm gonna get up there eventually. I'm just not there yet, y'all. I'm gonna wait my time.
Next year, all she gotta do is make it to 20. That's it. Once you make it to 20, at 21,
I'm gonna be old. Oof. Y'all, we went to Bayshore. I ain't been to Bayshore in years.
Yes, we finna go to Bayshore because I need to get me some sandals because my dog chewed up all my sandals.
Bella is crazy, y'all, but I love Bella. But yeah, I'll be back when we get in the mall. I just put all this lip gloss on, forgetting I'm gonna have to put on the mask. How smart was that? Mac? It looks like they changed some stuff. They got chimps out here, all type of stuff. Bayshore used to crack, y'all. I ain't been to Bayshore in a minute. This music gonna get me copyrighted, and I don't like that. I don't like that. There used to be water right there, and now it's grass. I think Pink been here. I don't know if it was right here at first, though. That's what I don't know. This is just blowing me though. Let me get your phone. I'm vlogging for me and Tankyie. I'm behind the scenes. I don't know how we supposed to live like this. It's like 80 degrees outside.
They want us to.
Then we supposed to be under here. Look, y'all, they got a new Nike store. You want to? Think they got slides? We trying to find some cute slides, y'all. The Apple store closed. I don't know what they think that is. I think they ain't got to open up. Oh, look at that. We got a bookshop coming. That's nice. Look at my hair though. It's the hair for me. How to do it. Open details. Headed to Jerry's. Yo, I don't know what to do. I don't. Okay, you gonna hit us or what? No. Don't hit me. Cause I'm full. What's going on, y'all? This reminds me of Atlanta or New York. I used to see a lot of these. I used to see this little thing like this on the way to class in Atlanta. They got the Croc style. I want some leopard Crocs, y'all. I want them bad too. Look at these ones. They got 3 handles. That's a force. Thank you.
What's bringing you guys in? No, cause you do be lying.
It's the mask for me. The music for me. Let me get my nails done. Y'all, this light is so good. We waiting to get on the boat. My nails are done. They're so freaking pretty. Wow, what I said. We're getting on the boat. This is a good view. Hold my phone tight. Let me stop. Lord, please keep us covered and safe on this boat. In Jesus' name, amen. This bag is heavy.
I'm actually just gonna pick whoever's gonna be driving.
And I got wipes in your mama car, and I forgot.
That is busy on the weekend. Say hey.
Hey! I ain't get no water.
We're pulling off. We're pulling off.
Sorry.
We're pulling off.
Also, I love my best friend. Give me some of that other water.
They do look so nice. The baby. Kimmy, you got it? The farm? They right here. No, that's not one. I got right.
Tankyie, how are you enjoying your birthday eve?
I'm enjoying my birthday eve.
Okay, you finna drive the boat.
I gotta hurry up and eat so I can drive the boat.
Period.
Cause I'm trying to.
I think she's about the other boat.
Y'all, the scenery. It's the scenery for me. I need a picture.
I'm just trying to hurry up and eat.
Don't laugh, y'all. Don't make her nervous. Don't make her nervous.
Oh my God.
Till your ass get tired. If I'm not impressed, hit the door. You fine. Play it on the track, I can still get a time.
There you go.
Crazy on the floor, she deserve. Eat that pussy up for lunch and I'ma eat it for dessert. Best pussy got me on Facebook finna learn. Baby,
Look, BB. Not on the face in the word.
The ground is so wet.
It is. I told you how to put my
I keep slipping.
Come on. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wait.
I can't wait till we go to Skyline. Keep coming out.
My lips dry. Get my eyebrows touched up. Debating if I want to put this on my vlog.
I said I forgot to do YouTube.
Yes, I'm almost at 4,000 watch hours, so then I can apply to get monetized. I got like 3,770. We a little late, but better late than never. It's a bad new celebration. Period. Look at me, I got my heels, y'all, but I got my sandals on because I ain't even gonna play. It's been a long day coming along. My eyebrows are done. I'm satisfied with the finished product. I'm currently outside trying to take some pictures before it get dark. Yeah, I was trying to get some good pictures where my brother was playing. We're at Fleming's. I never ate here before. Yeah. Hey, get into it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. You guys, everybody say hey. Got a full house. Look at all the gifts she got. Look at my balloon. This is my gift, guys. She opened my gift first. She opened my gift first. That's for the shop. Well, she broke her other one, so she needs to. She needs to walk around home and go to the shop. Period. He's just a smiling.
And I got a card. It says, everything you want, nothing you don't. Today is all about you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tankyie. Love you. Your fave, Tamia Jackson.
Period. Custom cape coming soon. I ain't had time to make it yet. Cape, her hair cape.
Tamia always know what I'm talking about.
I got the cape. I just ain't make it.
This is from Siri.
Ooh, let me see what
It
this
looks like some
is.
City down collection, so make sure y'all shop. It's a small piece of This is the outfit that I wanted, but I never went to go get it, and she gave it to me, so
Period. I love that gif. Period. Period.
And
Period.
it's a cute little two-piece set.
Yes, that's gonna be cute. Oh, not the booty short.
I would keep it. You wanted it. You think you want it?
She got me a raffle because the bling bling.
Green, green, bro.
Because you know she ain't sure.
And she got me some cute sandals. Everybody know I love slides. Period.
Hurry,
Thank you, Kim.
I want her gift earlier. I should have waited.
That was me. I wanted to give it to her so bad, especially when she broke her hookah.
She got me some.
You snap!
These some classics. Period. I'm out here.
Got the red bottom.
Thank you, baby.
How much?
Dress getting off.
This from Sean. This from my brother. the card. It says celebrating the amazing sister you are. I got $100. It says to protect this uniquely crafted design, place the sheet. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
It came with the card. It was like this.
No, he did give me the Dior.
What? If you adore, you gotta Dior.
This is from my sister. I got some flowers. Everybody know I love flowers. Who want these? Diamond. My best got me some flowers because she know I love flowers.
Why my shirt?
Oh, I got me some gladiator sandals. I ain't had none of these in a long time.
I swear, them the best.
Period.
That dress gets off.
Who this from? This is from my sister and my mama. What is it? I'm scared.
She played too much. She played too much.
They got me my camera for you too.
It's lit, it's lit, it's lit.
YouTube famous. YouTube famous.
It's lit, it's lit. Y'all, video coming soon. Video coming soon. Thank you, everyone.
I'm about to come around and give everybody a hug. I specifically want to thank everybody for coming out and helping me celebrate my COVID birthday. I couldn't do much this year, but y'all really made my birthday really, really special. And I'm not going to do a big speech because I'm a crybaby and I'm going to cry. So.
Don't cry.